Well, basically this lesson is showing the use of problem-based learning, how it could be used in the normal curriculum. So what this project is about is categories of computers. So they were given a project on categories of computers, and what they have to do is go on the internet and research on the different organizations that would use the different types of computers, and they are given a rubric where they will be given marks. So they are designing a building, basically. Building or buildings that would incorporate the use of all these types of computers. So they need to use their research information so that they could know what types of computers would go in different kinds of organizations, different rooms, and how the buildings will be designed and all that. So the students are very interested in this because it's up to them to do their research, use online room designing programs and all that in order to do it. So we'll take a look at this problem-based learning or project-based learning lesson.
You are really small. Right there, don't want to.
Yeah, so this is Anthony Smalls, also of 3A. Anthony, no man, I could ask you a couple of questions. So where did you get the information to do your room for the project?
Get the information from Google search engine.
Okay, and with these, you just started, so what rooms have you completed?
Well, I'm in an army base, so I have like an office and a room for like where they gather and stuff, to have the meetings.
What, so that's the war room?
Yeah.
So what computers would they be using in the war room?
So far I have like super computers, yeah.
Alright, well thanks.
Welcome.
Daniel Sudu, I think.
Yeah.
So your room, you could illustrate what computers in which room?
First room here is the microcomputer room. It has only personal computers for office use.
Office use.
The second room is this supercomputer room. This has only supercomputer, like the main and study business. This is the mini server, the mini computer. And this is the main room. This controls you.
And by chance, where you get your information?
By chance, what?
Where do you get your information for the
what?
the rooms?
I got it from PowerPoint survey, and I kind of make it my own idea, and I made this.
So this is Jan here, and Jan did his design, and he will let us know what it involves.
Well, I designed this room after NASA Space Company. This is the room to the server computer, and all of these computers here are the microcomputers that are controlled by the server. Then across here, have the supercomputer, the room with all the supercomputers that will help launch the rocket into space, and here's the mainframe by itself in this room. The mainframe is basically a big electronic computer that processes millions of transactions every day. The supercomputers are plenty different computers lined up side by side, working as one system, working parallel to each other as one system.
You finished?
And they cost millions of dollars, very expensive. So only a big company like the one I designed here would be able to do that. Yeah, and all these other computers that I designed.
So who would be using the microcomputers then?
Just the NASA workers, the normal workers, because they're made for single computers. They're made for single person use. So one person will go to each computer and will do the specific jobs in helping launch the rockets. All these are the microcomputers that the people in the office will use. Plenty computers. Server.